As a Samsung fan, I always look forward to their flagship phone launches, and this time, all eyes are on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's flagship devices are known for blending cutting-edge technology with premium designs. However, some recent developments have sparked a mix of excitement and skepticism about how well the Galaxy S25 Ultra will perform. This year, Samsung has changed its traditional schedule for the Galaxy S Series Unpacked event, moving it from February to mid-January. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will launch on January 22, 2025. While this earlier release could give Samsung an advantage in a competitive market, it also increases the pressure to deliver a product that lives up to the hype. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to take a new design approach with flat screens and rounded corners reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 20. This design not only adds elegance but also improves comfort when holding the phone. The frame is expected to be made of titanium, offering both durability and a lightweight feel, a perfect match for a premium device. The phone is rumored to have slightly refined dimensions, being larger yet slimmer than its predecessor. With thinner bezels, the display is expected to be even more immersive, enhancing the experience for those who love streaming, gaming, or simply admiring a top-tier screen. Samsung's displays are always a highlight, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to push boundaries further. The screen may offer a peak brightness of 3000 to 3200 nits, making it one of the brightest on the market. This will ensure excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Although it's rumored to stick with M13 display technology, which isn't as advanced as the newer M14 panels used by competitors, the slightly larger and brighter screen still represents a worthwhile upgrade for fans of vibrant visuals and rich colors. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will reportedly feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, promising significant boost in performance and AI capabilities. This new chipset is designed to handle demanding tasks, making it a great choice for gamers and power users alike. There are concerns, however, about potential overheating, an issue that has affected some previous processors. Samsung is reportedly addressing this by incorporating enhanced cooling solutions such as larger vapor chambers to keep the device running smoothly. The Snapdragon 8 Elite also promises a 44 to 46% improvement in power efficiency, which would help mitigate heat issues and improve battery life. Samsung is known for its exceptional camera technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring exciting upgrades. The ultra-wide lens could be upgraded to a 50MP sensor, which would significantly enhance low-light photography and dynamic range. While further details about other camera improvements are sparse, Samsung is likely to fine-tune the setup to remain competitive with other flagship devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut with One UI 7, Samsung's latest interface. It promises a smoother and more intuitive user experience, with features like seamless updates that minimize interruptions during software upgrades. Samsung is also committing to long-term software support for the S25 series, offering up to 7 years of updates. This ensures users can enjoy the device for years without worrying about outdated software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come in several titanium-based colors, including black, blue, gray, and silver. These shades will offer a sleek premium appearance, but as with previous models, some colors might be exclusive to Samsung's online store. Pre-orders for the phone are expected to open 10 to 15 days before the official launch on January 22, 2025, with a global release in early February. Early buyers may enjoy exclusive perks, making it an attractive time to upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra represents Samsung's latest innovations, combining brighter displays, better cameras, and a more durable design. However, challenges like potential overheating and the decision to stick with older display technology might hold it back from perfection. Despite these concerns, the phone's overall improvements, including long-term software support and rumored faster charging, keep the excitement alive. If Samsung addresses these issues effectively, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new benchmark for flagship smartphones. Whether you're looking forward to upgraded cameras, a sleek new design, or improved performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has plenty to offer.